Nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something typical Italian. We're going to make bruschetta and not bruschette. Bruschetta is bread toast with tomato, olive oil and oregano. Absolutely delicious. Very easy to make and very tasty. It's when you know we don't know what you're gonna cook for dinner, bruschetta help you always. We need few ingredients. We need of course some tomatoes, any tomato you like, bread, any bread you like, oregano, salt. I use garlic because I'm gonna make garlic bruschetta, and some nice olive oil. Okay, first thing guys to do is chop the hard part, is chop the tomato. Prep with you a bowl. I use this because it's more easy for me. Tomato I use to make like that. Cut this like in three, small. If you like big, you can do big, you know, any, but I like that. And later in the end, you're gonna see why. No, because it's very easy to put on the bruschetta. Okay? Cut this. I'm gonna chop all my tomatoes. What I wanna say, the bread, someone do on the pan, someone do in the oven. I'm gonna do on the toaster, easy at home, very quickly. I start put the bread inside. I make very nice and crunchy. Okay, later anyway I'm gonna show you. In the same time I'm cut the tomatoes, I'm gonna start make as well the bread, okay? And I show you another one because I don't want annoying you now. You know, like this. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, chop all your tomatoes and see you later. Okay guys, my tomato is ready. And now I want to show you the bread. I like that, but if you like less, do less, you know, no problem. But I like when it's a little bit burnt, you know, like this. Now what we're gonna do? Now the bread is hot. Take your garlic and spread the garlic on the top, like this. If you like, of course. This is like garlic bread, garlic bruschetta, the Italian way, you know. Do this. You know the garlic is already half here. Yes. And now when the other two they're gonna be ready, we're gonna do the mix for the tomato. We put salt. How much you think is good for you? Oregano is very important. If you like, put it because it's important. Olive oil, very generous. And mix everything. Basically guys, the mix is ready. Okay, now I'm waiting for the other two slices of bread. I'm gonna show you how we dress it. Okay guys, my beautiful bruschetta, they're ready. What we're gonna do now? Some salt, some oil, just around like that. Oregano. Try to cover everywhere, like this. Now our tomato, just like this. Okay, beautiful. Try to put everywhere. If you have some friend, you know, is one of the best. Easy. Okay. Fantastic. Now, again, oregano. And if you like here, you can use your fantasy. You can put everything. I'm gonna use example some rocket. You know, just if you like some rocket like this. Okay, if you like spicy, you know, look, change everything. I'm gonna use as well
some fresh basil. You know, chop just with your hands like this. The smell, guys, is absolutely, it looks like Italy here. You know, look at that. Fantastic, guys. And I know it's a lot of oil, but here the oil is the key. It's done, guys. My bruschetta and not bruschetta is this. Look at that. Absolutely Italy. 100%. I'm gonna try. Al bacio. Guys, this is my bruschetta. If you like, always figure out and follow us. Ciao!